All right, everybody, check this out. Somebody decided to enclose the furnace and then build a cabinet right there. This used to be open and somebody enclosed this furnace. Look what they did. The furnace exhaust is literally touching the wood framing right here. Now watch what happens when I put the camera up inside here. Hopefully this will come out okay. But you can see it's touching the framing. Crazy. So yeah, this is completely wrong. And here's another great thing they did here. Interesting. So here's the air return plenum. There's the box. They literally sealed it off on the other side. Right here. They screwed this on here and completely blocked it. And then there's the return grill in the living room. This is probably the worst one I've seen in a long, long time. Joe homeowner stuff right here. So what's missing here is the duct or the box that should have been continued from this wall to that wall to then pull air from inside the house. Wow, that's a pretty bad one. So this is going to be the overall winner for the year 2023 because, yeah, my first disaster I've found so far this year. And today is January 3rd.